Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to cook curry shrimp. First, gather your fresh ingredients for an authentic taste. We will create a rich, aromatic curry sauce, perfectly balanced with succulent shrimp. This recipe is designed to be straightforward, ensuring a delicious result in under 25 minutes of cooking time. Prepare yourself for a wonderful culinary experience. To start, ensure you have 1 pound of large, high-quality shrimp, preferably fresh. Your base for the creamy sauce will be 1 standard can of full-fat coconut milk, approximately 13.5 fluid ounces. Do not forget 2 tablespoons of a good quality curry powder. This is the heart of our flavor. Include a small onion, 2 cloves of garlic, and a piece of ginger, about 1 inch long, finely minced for the best aroma. Before heating your pan, thoroughly rinse your shrimp and pat them dry with paper towels. This helps them sear beautifully. Next, take time to finely mince your 2 cloves of garlic and the 1-inch piece of ginger. Carefully dice your small onion, aiming for consistent pieces that will cook evenly. If you are adding other vegetables, chop them now, making sure everything is ready to go into the pan. This mise-en place makes cooking much smoother. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Sauté the minced garlic, ginger, and diced onion for about 3 minutes until they are soft and fragrant. Now, stir in your 2 tablespoons of curry powder, cooking it for 1 minute to release its full aroma. Pour in the 13.5 fluid ounces of coconut milk, bringing it to a gentle simmer for 5 minutes to allow the flavors to meld. Finally, add your 1 pound of shrimp, cooking them for just 2 to 3 minutes until they turn opaque and pink.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.